In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba accounts. Before we begin, make sure your Alibaba app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection. Have your card handy so you can enter the details accurately. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your device. On the home screen, tap Sign In and log into your account. If you're prompted for extra verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Avoid sharing any codes with anyone and only enter them inside the official app. Once you're signed in and on the dashboard, look to the bottom of the screen and tap My Alibaba, which sits on the lower right. This is your account hub. From here, find and tap Payment. This section is where your saved cards and payment methods are managed. To add a new card, tap Add a new card. You'll see fields for your card information. Carefully enter the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card number, expiration date, and the security code. If a billing address field appears, make sure it matches what your bank has on file. Mismatches can cause verification failures. Double check everything for typos before proceeding. When you're ready, tap Confirm. At this point, many banks will trigger a quick verification. You may receive a push notification in your banking app or a one-time code to confirm it's you. Open your bank's app if prompted and approve the request or enter the code in the Alibaba app. Complete the step promptly to avoid timeouts and don't share verification codes with anyone. After you approve the verification, return to Alibaba and tap OK to finish. You should now see your new card listed in the payment section. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or briefly return to the dashboard and come back. If you ever want to remove a card, go back to the payment section, find the card you no longer need, and tap the delete icon next to it. The app will ask you to confirm, tap remove. The card will be taken off your account, which is useful if it's expired, replaced, or you simply prefer not to keep it on file. That's it. You've learned how to add a debit or credit card to your Alibaba account and how to remove it when needed. If you encounter errors, check your internet connection, ensure your billing details match your bank's records, and try updating the app. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to manage your payment methods with confidence.